request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Willmar Police Department is searching for Ian Aguilar, Hispanic, male, 10 years old, 4 feet 0 inches, black hair, brown eyes. Victim was last seen at 7:30 a.m. on November 14, 2023, at the 20 block of Oakdale, St. Willmar, Texas, 75172, wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for Juan Aguilar Cano, 38 years old, white, male, 5 feet 7 inches, 160 pounds, black hair, black eyes, and last seen wearing unknown clothing, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a TAN 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe bearing Texas license plate number KDZ 1194. The suspect was last seen in Willmar, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Willmar Police Department at 972-441-6565. News media point of contact is Willmar Police Department at 972-441-6565.